What is shikimic acid and its primary source? Shikimic acid is a natural chemical compound from the alpha hydroxyacid, primarily extracted from Chinese star anise. What are the main applications of shikimic acid? Shikimic acid is predominantly used as the starting material for oseltamivir production. Additional applications include cosmetic formulations for its antioxidant properties and specialized food additives. What benefits does shikimic acid offer in cosmetics? Shikimic acid provides antioxidant protection against environmental free radicals, helping prevent aging signs including wrinkles and fine lines. Technical information. What is the shikimic acid pathway? The shikimic acid pathway is essential for biosynthesis of aromatic amino acids, proteins, specific vitamins, and structural components of electron-carrying compounds. How is shikimic acid produced? Industrial production uses chemical synthesis, microbial-fermentation, and plant extraction. CAS Number specializes in optimized plant extraction, SCARs. What is your lead time for orders? Standard order ship within 7 to 10 business days. Express shipping is available for urgent requirements. Do you provide samples? Yes, we provide evaluation samples